Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In this video, we'll see how to apply setting and filters in PubMed to get the most relevant articles. So we'll go to PubMed site directly. So in Google, we'll search PubMed. So the first link which will open will be of PubMed. So this is the home page of PubMed. So before starting, we'll see what what is PubMed and why it is useful. So PubMed comprises more than 35 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline, life science journals, and online books. And this database is very useful in searching published literature for research work that can be used in teaching universities, medical institute, or pharmaceutical industries. And this database is freely available and most widely accessible biomedical resource globally. PubMed database is used by medical practitioners, researchers, scientists, faculty, and students. So let us start the video now. So in this database, we can search about any drug, any disease, or we can search the articles by their title. So let us randomly type any drug name. Let us type amlodipine. So here we can see after typing amlodipine, there are total 6,170 articles available in PubMed of amlodipine only. So these articles are currently available in the form of summary. So in this video, I'll show you two settings in PubMed. One is how to access the articles in the form of abstracts and most recent articles, how to access the most recent articles, and another setting which is called filter setting. So how to get the most relevant and most useful article in huge bunch of in the list from the list of huge bunch of articles. So first we'll go to display option setting. So in display option setting, there are three kind of setting. One is for format, another one is for sort by, and the third one is by page number. So in currently we can see here the articles are available in the form of summary. Here, like these articles are available in the form of summary. And if we want to get these articles in the form of abstract, so we'll click on this setting, abstract setting. So articles will be seen in the form of abstract. So now we can easily read the articles, and whatever article is relevant to us, we can extract those articles. Another option is of most recent one. So currently we can see here the older articles are available first. This article is from 1994. This article is from 2015. So randomly these articles are available. This article of 2012. So one setting, we will change the setting. It will change to most recent. So most recent articles which are published recently will be available first. Now you can see December 2022. So these articles, the most recent articles, you will get the first December 2022. And third setting is now currently we can see the articles. We can see only 10 articles per page. So we have one more setting over here. This is called per page setting. So we can change it from 10 to 20, 50, 100, and 200. So by this way, we can change the article. So I'm changing it now from 10 to 20. So the maximum limit to see any article is 200 on single page. If you want next 200 article, then we have to click on next to get the next 200 articles. So this is the first setting in PubMed to get the most relevant articles. And another setting is called My NCBI filters. So in this setting, first we can apply the filters by year of publication. Let us say if we want only articles from only to 2022 2023, so we'll apply this setting, and now from a total of 6,170 articles, we have got the list of 665 articles only in last 2 years. So we can apply this kind of setting to refine our search. Next setting is called text availability. So currently these articles are available in the form of abstract. So another option is there is free full text. So once we click on this, so we'll get those are only those articles of which free full text is available. So you can see here free PMC article. It means this article is available freely online. So once we click on this free full text PMC icon, so we'll get the PDF file of this article. So you can see here, we can convert this in PDF as well. So this is the PDF of that article. So this is second article. Here also you can get this icon. And once you click on this icon, you'll get the PDF of this article. So by this way, we can get the free full text of articles as well. So this was the second filter. Now third filter is about article type. So if we want, if from the bunch of this 6100 article, if we want only review article, so we have to click on this review checkbox. So there are 86 review articles are available. So these all are review article, review first article, then second article, this is also review. This third article, this is also review. So by this way, we can get the review article list. And if we want meta-analysis only, so we have to click on this option, meta-analysis. So once we click on meta-analysis, so now from more than 6,100 articles, we got the list of 72 meta-analysis. So these all are meta-analysis. You can see here on title only itself, it is written meta-analysis. This is also meta-analysis. This is also meta-analysis. So all the meta-analysis of amlodipine are, now you can see meta-analysis. So all the meta-analysis of amlodipine are available here. So similarly, by this way, we can search the articles by clinical trials, by meta-analysis, randomized control trials, review articles, systematic review. So this was all about article type filter. Then another filter we have is publication date. Let's say we do not need these all articles. We just need only last 1 year articles list. So we'll click on this 1 year and we'll get the article list. So 241 articles are available here. So we can easily go through these articles and you can get the most relevant articles from last 1 year. Additionally, we have one more setting that is called additional filters setting. So once we click on this additional filter setting, so first setting is of article type. So let us say if we want to search only case reports of amlodipine, so we have to click on this checkbox and we have to click on show. So the meta-analysis, so the case report option will be activated and we'll get the list of case reports. Similarly, if we want clinical trial phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 or phase 4 studies, so we have to click on this checkbox. So we'll get articles of these phases. Similarly, if we want guidelines, interviews, some kind of interactive tutorials, so we have to click on these checkbox to get these kind of articles. So next setting is about species. So in this two checkbox are there, one is for human and another one is for animal. So once we click on human, so we'll get the articles of humans only. And if we want the articles of animal only, so we have to click on this checkbox. Another setting is of language. So if we want only English articles, so we have to click on English setting to get the English articles only. Next setting is of our gender. So in this two settings are there, male and female. If we want to get the articles in female only, so we have to click on this checkbox. And if we want articles of both the gender, we have to click on both. Next setting is about gender, about age. So in this, we can see here different age categories are there. So whatever age category we want, we can click on that age category and we can get the most relevant articles related to our research work. And another setting is about other. So this is not much relevant. So we can exclude this. So this is all about applying filters and setting option in PubMed. So in summary, through this video now, we know how to apply setting and filter in PubMed to get the most relevant articles for our research work. So that's all from this video. Hope you have liked this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also leave your queries and suggestion in comment section. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. Thank you.